How to return a parcel in JNT. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to return a parcel in JNT. For Shopee Mall orders, request a return or refund. Select the shipping option, choose drop off, and then confirm. For non-mall orders, wait for Shopee to notify you via email and in-app. Once notified, select the shipping option. Choose drop off and confirm. Repack your items and take them to the nearest JNT Express branch. You don't need to print anything. Just present the tracking number from the return or refund details page. At the branch, show the item and the tracking number. The staff will print a return label for your package. Returning items is free of charge. You can track the return in the Shopee app. Refunds may take up to 11 days after the parcel is verified. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.